Start. Okay, now restart again.
Yes,
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 start.
ma'am. Myself, Roshan Patel, from Gujarat, Vapi location.
Gujarat, from Gujarat. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what do you do?
मैडम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग और बेसिक से इंग्लिश सीखना है. दिस इज माय मोटो.
Okay. You want to learn English from basics, right? Okay. So what are you doing nowadays? You are a student or a working?
आई एम वर्किंग इन केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज
Okay, you are
सिंस
from
2010.
okay, okay. So and what is your qualification?
My qualification is BSc.
Okay, you have done BSc from science stream, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so nice to meet you and welcome, Roshan. So firstly, I would like to introduce myself. As you know that my name is Monica. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. And my qualification, education qualification is I have done Masters B.Ed and B.Ed honors from English. And if I talk about my another qualifications, like I have passed the CTET examination, and there it is very necessary for teaching field. And now, nowadays, I'm just focusing on my communication skills too, because I have, although I'm a teacher, I am a spoken trainer, then we will rectify ourselves. We should polish ourselves every day because teacher is a learner first, then a trainer. Okay. So, I would say that all the best to you guys. You should learn purely and heartily. Your devotion, your dedication is your result, right? So let's start our. Okay, Ankit Bhatt, you please unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
हेलो मैम आवाज आ रही है
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
हाँ
आपको
गुड
जो भी
इवनिंग
बोलना
मैम
है इस क्लास में, यू जस्ट स्पीक आउट इन इंग्लिश ओनली. डोंट यूज हिंदी हिंदी वर्ड्स. कोशिश करेंगे. वी शुड ट्राई अवर सेल्स टू स्पीक out in English mostly. Okay? Okay, hello. Okay, yeah, Ankit, please introduce yourself hurriedly so that
गुड
we
इवनिंग
can,
मैम
yeah, we can
गुड
start our class.
गुड इवनिंग मैम माय नेम इज अंकित भट्ट आई एम फ्रॉम सोनीपत and my education qualification is I have done my LLB in Prayagraj and right now I am advocate in Sonipat District Court. Um,
Okay, you are an advocate. So, why do you learn English? Your English is already good and you
because
can
ma'am
speak.
all courts rules are used material case filed in English and judges are regularly used in English daily life.
Okay, you should you have to learn English regularly for communication in your court. Okay, so you
Yes.
have faced some difficulties or challenges
जी
in English without
yes
English.
मैम डिफिकल्टी तो है बहुत सारी है लेकिन चैट जीपीटी से हेल्प हो जाती है
Please repeat.
मैम डिफिकल्टीज तो आती है ऑफिस में और
Yes.
कोर्ट रूम में पर थोड़ा सा कम बोलते हैं कोर्ट में
Okay.
सीनियर्स को कॉल ज्यादा दे देते हैं अपनी
Okay. So you are a senior advocate?
नहीं मैम जूनियर एडवोकेट
Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's start because without English, our profession also affected somewhere. Okay, so Rakesh, please,
Yes,
you also introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Rakesh Nikum, and I am belonging to Pune in Maharashtra. And I completed my MBA in Information Technology, and I'm just working professional in core IT infrastructure, last since 12 years.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I will give you some Hindi words or Hindi sentences, small sentences. You have to write down in your notebook, then you frame them. Okay, these are the small phrases we have to uses them in our conversation. After that, I will give you a word, a particular word. On that word, you can express or articulate your thoughts. Anyway, anyhow, you just frame the sentence. After that, you can explain in front of me. Okay, so write down small phrases in Hindi. First, मुझे 1 मिनट दे दीजिए. Like, what is the English of this sentence? मुझे 1 मिनट दे दीजिए.
please give me 1 minute.
Give me 1 minute. और मुझे एक पल दे दीजिए. एक पल के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? प्लीज,
Please
या
give me a mom. Please give me a moment.
प्लीज गिव मी अ मोमेंट. या राकेश, प्लीज यू टेल मी.
Yes, yes. Basically, I'm just talking about on this. Please give me a second. Whenever we take to time and just
हम्म.
to everyone.
Because
So just
in a
basically say
we should frame 3 or 4 ways of a one sentence we should frame for many times, for many ways. They are like,
yes, yes,
Rakesh told that, give me a 1 second, give me a second. Ankit told that, give me a 1 minute. Like, मुझे एक पल दे दीजिए, give me a one moment. So
moment.
one sentence, you can see one sentence can frame many ways. Okay. Okay, Roshan, you
Yes.
just tell me. मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे पक्का नहीं पता कि वो आएगा या नहीं आएगा.
I don't know. He comes or not,
I don't know. He comes, if he comes or
or
not.
not.
Okay. Yeah, just it is right, but another way we can say how. Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you just try this sentence again. मुझे पक्का नहीं
I
पता
don't
वो
know.
आएगा या नहीं आएगा. Yeah,
I
please
don't know he will come or not.
repeat.
I don't know he will come or not.
I don't know he will come or not. Okay, Rakesh, you
Yes,
try.
we could say that we're not sure about him. They will come or not.
We are not sure about him. Yes, exactly. I am saying it is like looking like a advanced level. Something लग रहा है ना कि advanced level का sentence है. I'm sure that he comes or not. He will come or not. Okay, now tell me, will is exactly come here or comes is exactly come here. What is the both these verb, which one is correct? Will or comes?
Actually, come is three. We're getting the three type of words actually. Came, come, and come. So when you just be going to talking in the future, so definitely they will come. So you should using the come.
Okay. Because this is the sentence based on condition. Based on condition.
Yes,
I don't know, I'm not
yes,
sure if he comes or not. वो आ भी सकता है. So this is the based on the condition. Condition is
yes.
applying. First condition is applying there. PP. Sentence बनेगा हमारा, I am not sure if he comes or not. यदि वो I'm not sure if he comes or not. So this one is correct. So all of you understood? Clear?
Yes,
Okay. So next is मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ.
I
Ankit?
agree with you.
Yeah,
I am
I
agree with
agree.
you.
Okay, Roshan, you just try.
I am agree with you.
Okay, इन्होंने बोला that is something like I have to rectify. Don't say agree, say agree, agree. We should emphasize a word. Like na phonic sound, when we come to the phonic sound, we just say agree, for and dance like this. A sound word, we should not say like agree, agree. A word chalega. Okay.
Agree.
Hmm. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
when we learn something different, like a spoken, you have good command already. You have good command in English, but if we talk about like a particular class, particular session you are joining there, so I have to be rectify some kind of mistakes on the spot so that you learn more quickly. Okay, मैं
Okay,
उससे सहमत नहीं हूं. या अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आप पूछना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज आस्क एंड रेज योर हैंड. ओके, वी
उससे
कंटिन्यू.
सहमत नहीं.
मैं उससे सहमत नहीं
Yes,
था. रोशन एंड अंकित, यू जस्ट switch on your camera. I didn't even like I cannot see your faces.
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, because there is a one-to-one classes. There is no need to afraid. Like na, I am like
Okay,
your friend, your uh, companion. So it need no, not to need to embarrass me. Okay, this is a
okay, ma'am.
just a we are familiar. We are familiar. Like speaking English is very necessary nowadays. Everyone wants to
Yes,
learn English or this language for our profession also. For our somebody
yes,
wants to learn for your kids, for your family, for their profession. No, everyone has a different command over this language. Okay, मैं उससे सहमत नहीं था.
मैं उससे सहमत नहीं. हाँ.
Shall I say
I
this?
do not agree with us.
या प्लीज अंकित बताएं.
I did not agree with
Him. I didn't
him.
agree with him. I didn't agree with her. Whatever you just use third pronoun. Okay, third person. Next is Roshan.
I didn't agree with him.
I didn't agree with him. Rakesh.
I am disagree with him.
I disagree with him. Okay, so I have to clear one thing here. As Rakesh said that I disagree with him. It is totally correct, isn't it? Lekin there is a one solution. If you apply didn't, you apply agree. If you apply disagree, you didn't use verb didn't. Like didn't verb आप use नहीं कर सकते हैं when you apply disagree. As Rakesh said, I disagree with him. मैं उससे सहमत नहीं करता. तो उन्होंने disagree बोल दिया. Like ना opposite word. He used opposite word, disagree. So this is also correct. Okay. If you use verb didn't, so you just apply agree. I didn't agree with him. Okay, ये अच्छा विचार है.
That is the right thoughts.
That is
That is a good thoughts.
that
We
is a
could say
good,
the another words. That is a good
yeah,
thoughts.
that is a good thought. Yes. Please, Roshan.
That is the right thought.
Ankit.
This is a good thought.
Good thought. Okay, another like if you know another synonyms of thought, synonyms.
Yes, thoughts means it's a we could say that it's a good things. It's a good opinions. It's a good passing the message. So we could we using the different kind of sentences that according. So
रोशन आप बताएं. अंकित, like different words like idea, as Rakesh said, opinion, idea, thought. Hmm?
Ma'am,
Okay.
like quotes,
Yes, like
quotes, quotes.
quote,
मतलब इसके विचार, quotes,
vichar,
thoughts.
quotes,
quotes.
quotes, which means what is the spelling of quote? Please clear me.
That means actually
Quote.
thought.
Okay, QUOT, quotes means okay.
Oh,
That is different. That is different from idea or thought. Quote is a level of like kahavat, like in Hindi we can say kahavat, proverb, like na quote. That is different word. Okay. साउंड ये अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब सुनने में यदि किसी का विचार या किसी की बात अच्छी लगे तो हम उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. रोशन, या प्लीज टेल मी. रोशन, यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है.
This sound,
This one is
this sound is good.
This sound is good. Okay. Okay, Rakesh, you just try.
we could say that it is the beautiful voice to head.
It is beauty of.
It is the good beautiful voice to head.
Okay. It's beautiful voice to hear. Okay. Okay, Roshan, you just try once again. Okay. So
this is
yes, Roshan, please tell me again.
good to hear.
This is good to hear.
Hmm.
Okay. All are correct. But is used here? This is good to hear. Yes, it is also correct. And Ankit told that this is good. This is good
This
sound.
sound is good.
Sound is good is also correct. And we should also use sounds good. It sounds good. It is
It
also.
sounds.
We can use it sounds good. सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है. जैसे आपने मेरे को अपने बारे में कुछ बताया, I am an advocate. So I compliment you. It sounds good. Like this communication, it sounds good. Of course. बिल्कुल. Okay, मैं समझ गया आपकी बात. मैं समझ गया आपकी बात.
I understand your
I understand. Okay, Roshan.
part.
Yes, repeat again. मैं समझ गया आपकी बात. Ankit, you just complete this sentence. I understand what in ahead. Complete this sentence. मैं आपकी बात
I
समझ गया.
understand. I think I understand your voice.
Okay.
And
Okay, Rakesh.
We could say that we very well understand for your thought.
We
We very well understand for your thought.
for your thought. We well understand for your thought. Okay.
Thought.
Okay. Okay. Understand word is easy and common also, na? Something different. I'm going to tell you. I got it. Your point. I got it. I got it. मैं इसको समझ गया, आई गॉट इट। जब हमारा छोटे से में काम चल रहा है तो हमें बहुत बड़ा बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है। हम एडवांस इंग्लिश को ऐसे ही बोलते हैं। जैसे आपने सेलिब्रिटीज को देखा होगा, कितना छोटे में कितना कुछ बोल जाते हैं वो लोग, लेकिन हम सोचते ही रहते हैं कि इसने बोला क्या, ये तो बोल गया, ये तो बोल गई। सो आई अंडरस्टैंड योर पॉइंट, आई गॉट इट, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट, आई गॉट इट। सो दिस इज द एडवांस वर्ड, यू जस्ट नोट डाउन इन योर बुक नोटबुक, ओके? बिकॉज ये जो सेंटेंसेस, वट एवर आई एम टोल्ड यू, जस्ट राइट डाउन and just speak out in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. Again, repetition is the key of success, you know. So many times you can repeat at your home. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज, अभी आपको क्या है, एक सिचुएशन दूंगी मैं, एक सेंटेंस आपको, एक वर्ड दिया जाएगा, उस वर्ड पर आपको एटलीस्ट 5 लाइन्स यू शुड एक्सप्लेन, यू शुड आर्टिकुलेट योर थॉट। ओके, सिचुएशन इज दैट, first situation I have given you, like, start from Ankit. Intelligence, intelligent, sorry, intelligent. In this word, from this word, you can articulate your thought from anyhow, anyway. Don't afraid of mistake कि मैं को mistake करूंगा तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. No, don't afraid of mistakes. Firstly, this is a speaking learning class. We are learning.
I cannot speak about this topic. Intelligent.
You cannot speak about intelligent word. Why? Only 2 sentences, 3 sentences, whatever in your mind. You just tell me.
Ma'am, please give
My
me one
colleague,
example.
Yes, Ankit.
Ma'am, please give me one example
Yeah,
how
you
to
can
speak
give. You can give
English.
example. Yes.
ma'am,
Yeah, Roshan. Let me finish now, Ankit. Firstly, we
Please,
Ankit want
Roshan.
to say na, like, I give one example, so you can give. Please go ahead. Yes. Just remind your like your any friend. He is very intelligent to cooking food, and Sita, Geeta, any name. Geeta is very intelligent for like dancing. Any example you can give me? Okay. Just think after turn is Roshan. Next turn is Roshan. Yes.
ma'am, my boss Ajit Patel is very intelligent.
Okay. Next. At least
Uh,
4 examples
my
you can give me. At least 4.
my daughter is very intelligent in speaking English,
Your
and
daughter
my
is very
father.
intelligent. Okay.
Okay, my mother is very intelligent in cooking.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Keep it up. Okay. Rakesh, just you.
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm talking about the we made create of the one tools. So definitely, this tool is very intelligent for what? Just explain explanation over this tool. This tool is so easily to handle. Is which you can use it to use for this. This tool we made up of that our first perspective and first of aspect is what whether it is the tool giving to the very simple thinking through give the solution for your queries. So, and this tool is very highly intelligent to approach your thoughts, approach your query, and give it to your right solution over the your within over your all of things within giving you within a 1 second. He giving you one solution. So
Okay.
this tool is we could say that intelligence.
Okay. Nice. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, so situation word is intelligent. This is the very common or very familiar word I have given you. And my next word is for now I am giving you different words to three of you. Okay, different words. Okay, next word is respectful. Ankit, respectful.
Respectful. I think, ma'am, all of us we give respect uh, in our society, and um, I also respect in my client when we reached in my chamber. Uh, that's
Okay, just you just tried. Okay. Next word is Roshan. Actually, respect word is a part of speech is like a verb. And jo respectful word is different. Okay? Some kind of different.
I always respect of my boss, and
No, your word is
I always
no. Roshan, I am giving you some different word. Only respect is giving to Ankit, and your word is articulate. Articulate. इसका मैं हिंदी बता देती हूँ आपको. आर्टिकुलेट मतलब होता है अपने आप को कैसे आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो. आर्टिकुलेट मीन्स एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ. हाउ टू articulate your words, how to articulate your communication to the people in front of them, in front of the media, in front of the public, how to articulate. Okay. Okay, just try one sentence.
I am very मैडम मैं बहुत फियर ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ. अब फियर लगता है जब को पब्लिक के सामने बोलना रहता है, तो उसका वर्ड में कैसे बोलूँ, थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा मैडम.
Okay,
कि
I
पब्लिक के
got
सामने बोलने में फियर रहता
okay.
है.
Okay, so I will tell you कैसे बोलेंगे आप. I will tell you. I got afraid many times. You just note down. I got afraid many times in front of the friends. How to articulate myself. How to articulate myself. Okay. Note down this also. How to articulate myself. I got afraid many times. How to articulate myself in front of the friends. Okay. Okay, got it? Roshan, yes or no? Tell me. Clear? Your voice is not coming properly. Voice is not coming. Okay, Rakesh, just you should unmute yourself. Roshan, are you muting yourself? Unmute, please unmute. Okay, Rakesh, your word is, write down your word. Monotonous. Monotonous.
Monotonous or monotonous?
Yes, monotonous. Monotonous. Monotonous means,
Wait.
know?
Wait. MONOTONASE.
Monotonous.
TONAUS.
Monotonous. मतलब बोरिंग फील करना, मोनोटोनस लगना. दिस क्लास इज वेरी मोनोटोनस. इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी मोनोटोनस. बोरिंग, डल, लाइक दिस. Ankit, you also just write down the monotonous word and frame 2 sentences at least.
Yes, getting
Ma'am,
some more.
when I drive a car, That time is monotonous.
That time is monotonous for you. Why?
Still, that time feels like monotonous.
Okay, okay. Okay, Rakesh, you tell me.
Shall I? Yeah, yeah. So we going to the our training room, and just trainer going to is continuously talking, but it's not effectively what part of the express themselves. So that time definitely we monotonous, and his
That time
lecture going to this going for other another way, and we cannot getting the any kind of point they whatever they suggest us, and just only they only talking someone else, but no any giving to the right example they that can we just take it and understand is very well too, and just happily we enjoy our trainings. So that time, yes, they were not able to those things, so we getting the autonomous.
Okay, some situations is going to be monotonous in our life when we. Firstly, I would say that monotonous word is a don't like a some advanced vocabulary word. I will give you. I have given you initially stage
Yeah.
beginning in the beginning because I want to know that how much caliber you have to express yourself. How much caliber you just have articulate yourself, no? Because we
Mhm.
all know that English is not have any like na it is full of like conceptions. ये conceptions से भरी हुई है. There are a lot of conceptions in English. Okay, so we have to जितना हम सीखेंगे उतना कम है because vocabulary
Uh,
is so
yes,
vast. Okay, and
vocabulary is just
like
like a
sentence making
galaxy.
structure is so vast. Everything is
Mm.
vast in English. So कहाँ से हमें शुरू करना है? We are not sure. जहां से हमने शुरू कर दिया बस वही शुरुआत है. Okay,
Yes.
whenever we start our from like a grammar portion, so grammar portion is something is monotonous for me. I can't teach directly
As well,
grammar for the
I
student.
yes.
It is very monotonous for me, monotonous task for me because from like now I want to teach somebody like a student like some making stories, like making some kuch interesting activity type.
Yes, yes,
I didn't
yeah.
like to teach tenses directly because this is the very monotonous work for me also or to for the student also.
What
They can't understand directly sentences. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया वह घर जाता है, वह खाना खाती है, वह अपना ऑफिस काम अपने ऑफिस जाती है. तो लाइक इस तरीके के यदि मैंने सेंटेंस आपको देना शुरू कर दिया तो आप ऐसे पकड़ के बैठ जाएंगे सिर्फ. व्हाट इज दिस?
yes.
ओके, तो ना लाइक ना इंग्लिश इज अ इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट बस बट पीपल व्हाट यूजुअली वी डू हम उसको मोनोटोनस बना देते हैं, डल बना देते हैं, एक्टिविटी नहीं करते हैं.
Yes.
एक्टिविटी के थ्रू टीचिंग करना, लर्निंग करना, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर लर्निंग ना. लैंग्वेज सेज दैट वी शुड नॉट go through the monotonous task. We should go through some activity task so that we can learn easily, okay, confidently. Okay,
Yes.
so this is our today's session. So I have to wrap up this session because only 5 minutes is remained. So if you want to say something, you just if you ask any question, you just ask. Roshan, yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got stuck in between you.
Due to internet issue, I will join from office.
Okay, okay,
I am joined from office.
okay, okay. Yeah, so
मैडम
just
एक एक
ask
चीज है
something,
मैडम,
anything. Hmm.
एक कुछ फॉर्मेट वगैरह अगर हम लोगों ने जितना सेंटेंस जो हमने रिव्यू किया तो उसका कुछ अपने पास टेम्पलेट जैसा कुछ मिलेगा कि अपन उसको प्रैक्टिस डे टू डे में कर सके.
Okay. I will give you some stuff of sentence structure, making sentence structure. जैसे for example, you told me in the class. जैसे मैं समझ गया, I got your point. और मैं आपकी बात से अग्री हूँ, लाइक दीज स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस आई विल गिव यू इन अ लाइक अ वी कैन से ना लाइक अ नोट्स फॉर्म, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑन व्हाट्सएप आफ्टर द
ओके।
क्लास, आई विल
इसमें
प्रोवाइड यू। यस।
ठीक है, इसमें क्या है ना मैडम कि हर लोगों ने अलग अलग सेंटेंस अलग अलग तरीके से बताया, उसमें राइट सेंटेंस कौन सा है वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी है कि हमको रेफर किसको करना
Okay, okay, okay. I will
है।
give you notes after
ओके।
the class. Na?
ओके।
Say, for example, suppose we learn 5 sentences today, so I will give you that sentence as a notes format, okay, after the class, so that you can learn them easily or practice them easily.
ओके।
Okay. Or yes, Ankit or Rakesh, if you ask anything, if you want to ask anything, just focus on your practice. I will give you like a small point, just say for example, I will give you any situation when you go to market, or just you suddenly all of sudden you meet your friend. So when you give your introduction, how to give your introduction in English to your friend? Tell me. Yes, Roshan, you tell me. All of sudden
मैडम।
you met your friend in a shopping mall.